Yes, guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I discuss how to make money online. We explore the several ways of making money online. And my last video on how to make money in Nigeria and Africa was well received by you guys. Hey, I'm so impressed how you guys watched the video, how you subscribed, how you liked the video. So it has motivated me to make another one for you guys. This time around, it's not just how to make money in Nigeria, but how students are making money in Nigeria, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, Zimbabwe, Kenya, South Africa, Egypt, and several other countries in Africa. The techniques here also works for students in US, UK, Germany, France, India, Russia, China, name your country. The techniques in this video also works perfectly well for you. It will work for students all over the world. So if you are interested to know the 10 smart ways to make money as a student, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, and let's get started. You can make money today by selling your notes. Hey, those your notes that you made during lecture, that you make when you read, do you know that you can sell them on websites like Nexus Notes and Stuvia? Students like you are selling their notes and making a lot of money from it. So you too can sell your notes. Just know that if it is typed, the price is higher than when it is handwritten. Of course, make it easy to understand for other students. So instead of just throwing your study note away, sell it today on Stuvia. The second way that you can make money as a student is by selling second-hand course books. In school, we buy textbooks, and at the end of the semester or the term, the textbook become completely useless. Never again. You can make money by selling those books on websites like Facebook Marketplace, Amazon. Even you can advertise the textbook on your own campus and sell it today to make money. If you don't have a textbook of your own, you can even buy the textbook from your friends. People from your class that have the textbook that will no longer use it, you can buy it from them, or tell them you will sell it and give them a commission of the price. And you can sell the book on Amazon. Yes, the big Amazon. You can sell the book on the big retail store, Amazon. There's eBay, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace for you to sell the books. Not just books only. There are other old school items that are still in sellable condition. You can sell them on Amazon and eBay today and make money. Another way that students are making money all over the world is by tutoring. Remember I told you the techniques in this video works for your country. You can make money by tutoring students online or even offline. So if you're in UK, there are UK tutors, super prof that you can use to teach other people the subject that you know best. If it's chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, whatever you can teach other students and be paid for it. Tutor someone today and make that money. If you want to take your teaching to a higher level, you want to go outside the usual course domain, you want to teach your skills, there are Skillshare, Udemy, Teachable, Thinkific that you can teach skills and courses to people. Do you know that students in Nigeria, Africa, UK, US are making money through online survey? There are several online survey these days that you can just register, take a survey, and get paid. Surveys like Toluna, Branded Survey, Swagbox, Life Points, Inbox Pants, OnePool, I Say, Opinion Outpost, Populous Life, YouGov, Valued Opinions, The Opinion, Base, Survey Junkie, Panel, Market Agent, Mingo, Survey Bonds are some of the most popular survey websites. All you need to do is just register on the survey website, take a survey, and get paid for it. You either paid in cash or by gift card. It depends on the one that you want, and it will be offered to you. And it's a way of making money today, not 10 years time. Today, as I'm talking, you are taking the survey, you're making money. And all the links to this service will be in the description box of this video. So kindly go and check them out and get paid. If you think that I've forgotten you, I have not. You've not talked about my own. I have a camera. I can take good photos, good videos. How do I make money? How do I make money? Calm down. I'm here for you. You can make money by selling your photos, stock footage, videos, illustrations on websites like Shutterstock, Get Images, iStock, Adobe Stock, Dreamtime, 123RF, and make money today. Don't just use the phone for just browsing. Use it to make money by using it to take photos and videos. It can be videos of you jumping, photos of your kitchen, and several other videos and photos of your choice. Upload it on this website and you'll be making money instantly. When people purchase the photos from the website you've uploaded them to. The next way of making money online is smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button. This one is very popular. You know it, I know it. Everybody know it. You can make money by starting a YouTube channel. People say it's saturated, but you can still start a YouTube channel and still make money. There are different ways that people make money on YouTube. Affiliate, ad sponsorship, and the popular Google ads. So you can make a lot of money by starting a YouTube channel. Another way that students are making money is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not for experts, it's for students to make money. Even the textbook that you're using, some publishers have affiliate. What do you use? It could be phone. Register to get the affiliate link from the website, Amazon, eBay, and send the links to your family, to your friends, to your classmates, to your fans, so that when they purchase the item using your link, the company will pay you a commission for referring them. It's just a referral. Once you refer them, they pay you a commission for doing that. You can attach a link on your social media page. You can attach it on your blog. You can even paste it on WhatsApp group chat and tell them this textbook we are asked to buy. This is the link to buy the textbook. And once they click the link and the link contains your own affiliate, you make money. And imagine you sending it to several students. Imagine how much you'll be making. Another easy way to make money in Nigeria and in your country is to be an extra. Yes, you can be an extra for movie producers. Being an extra is just simple as filling the scene. When they're acting a movie, some people are just walking by, sitting in a coffee shop, and are just talking to themselves, and are somehow part of the whole movie. They are not the main actors or actress. You as a student can do that and get paid for being an extra in a movie. In line with that point, you can also rent your room or your house or your car slot for them to use for movies. What of those of us that are very good with writing? You are very good with transcribing audio. You can earn money today by being a transcriptionist. And if you're also good in writing subtitles for movies, you can make a lot of money, especially when the subtitle is not in English. But that does not mean that those that write in English are not well paid. So be a subtitle freelancer today by registering on popular websites like Rev, Fiverr, Upwork, TranscribeMe to become a freelance subtitle writer. The last, not the least, is you can make money by watching video online. I know you've heard it. There are popular websites like Swagbox, Inbox Pants that you can register, watch a video, and get paid for it. The funny thing is that you don't need to even be there and be watching the video. You can just click the video and start doing something else while the video will watch itself. And you are paid for watching videos. And just as a bonus, you can make money by reviewing music. The popular Slice the Pie is known for reviewing music. So when you review music from Beyonce, Rihanna, Jay-Z, Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid, Patoranking, and several other artists that you like, you can get paid from Slice the Pie for reviewing the music. This is just the best 10 way that students are making money. And you don't have to leave your house to make money online. Just be in your house, register on this website, which I've attached the links in the description box of this video and get paid at the comfort of your house. Who doesn't love sipping juice and getting paid? I love it myself. So if you want to know more on how to make money in Nigeria, there's a video that's currently showing. So check it out in order to find out more ways of making money in Nigeria, in Africa, in UK, in US, all at the comfort of your house. Thank you. Bye.